Why is it important to hire a local attorney? Hi, I'm Zachary C. Ashby at Pacific Northwest Family Law. Many people, when they're searching for an attorney, aren't sure who to hire. Many people, when they're searching for an attorney, think that they'll get an attorney from out of town because they think that the system is rigged against them and all the attorneys are in cahoots together to stick it to the people going through a divorce and milk them for all their money. And they believe that if I can get an attorney from out of town, I can avoid that club of attorneys and get better results. Sometimes that might work. And maybe the case is that you don't have a lot of options in your local area. And maybe the attorneys in your local area aren't people who you want to work with. Looking for an attorney outside of that might be a good idea, but it comes with risks. Sometimes it looks like there's a club because local attorneys, especially in family law, work with one another often. So they have a good working relationship. That benefits clients because you're able to reach agreements, you're able to negotiate, and you're able to understand how the court's going to rule. Because people who are local to a specific court system are going to understand better how judges and commissioners approach the case and will approach resolution in different ways. It's important to understand the judge in this court, do they favor 50-50 plans? Or do they favor moms? Or do they give dads more leeway? How do they approach addiction to drugs? Or how do they approach accusations of child abuse? Or how do they approach the division of assets when you have a stay-at-home parent or maybe a stay-at-home spouse? How are the judges in your local court going to approach that? And believe me, family law is completely local. So sometimes an attorney from out of the area doesn't have the advantage of being familiar with those courts. Now, this is one of the reasons at Pacific Northwest Family Law, we have opened offices across Washington state. So not only can we have attorneys local to most of the counties, but we can also share that knowledge within the firm so that we can approach each case with both the advantage of being local, but also with some of the techniques that we've learned from other areas in Washington. And that's something that many firms just can't offer. There's a mixture and trade-off there when you're looking for attorneys in your area or outside of the area. Usually attorneys in your area are going to be attorneys in the same county as the case being litigated or in a nearby county. So it's important to ask when hiring an attorney if they have done cases in that county and how often they've done those cases so that you get a sense of what are the advantages there. Might not be a disqualifier, but it is something that you should take into consideration when hiring and working with an attorney. I hope that helps. Please comment and like our videos and subscribe to the channel. It helps us make more videos and know that these are useful. Also, if you have any questions, comment to the video or you can email us at info@pnwfamilylaw.com. You can also call us anytime, 24/7 at 509-866-4111. Thank you.